Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. I just wanted to make a quick video. The stock market in the US has been falling for the past week. It's down about 10% total since Monday. It basically hit all-time highs and then just started plummeting. It's down probably over 2,000 points or so. And what a lot of people aren't taking into account is they're blaming this on coronavirus, they're blaming this on Trump, and just a lot of things that may be playing into it as far as the public is concerned. But there's so many things that when a major event like this happens, you have to dig deeper than just what you're being told in the media, and you have to actually understand how markets work, and you have to understand who is behind these markets. And that will tell you a lot more than just reading the headlines on your favorite news station. So back in November, there was the biggest hedge fund in the world, Bridgewater Capital, operated and ran by Ray Dalio, put a $1 billion option on the fact that the S&P 500, the Euro Stocks 50, or both would fall drastically by March 2020. I don't think people realize just how big this is, because these people, the Bridgewater option that was $1 billion put up to literally a hedge. If the market fell, they're going to get paid out handsomely. Most people don't even understand how much $1 billion is. So if you were to count starting at 1 going up to 1 million, it would take you roughly 11 days. If you were to start at 1 and count up to 1 billion, it would take you 33.5 years. I really don't think people grasp these numbers and just how huge they are. And what ended up happening was banks like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and a few other banks got together and put all their money into this option for the stock market to go down drastically. So the people in control of these markets know exactly when they're going to go down, they know exactly how they're going to go down, and they know exactly how to profit when they go down. So this is not, everybody's panicking in the public eye and, don't necessarily know what to do, but there are people behind the scenes who are literally cleaning up. They're making all of their biggest amounts of money right now while everybody else is in sheer panic. And I think that if people really were to pay attention to what is actually going on versus what they're being told, they would be able to see this in an instant. But they're being sold a story, not the story. And I think people really need to take a look, especially with things like Bridgewater Capital taking out $1 billion loan or $1 billion option for this exact scenario by March. And notice it happened the week before March. I mean, you can't even make this stuff up. So I think people need to really take a look at what's going on in the broader space and what is actually going on behind the scenes versus what they're being told. All right, Staffelbaker out.